In the heart of Chicago, where the streets hummed with life and the city never slept, Noah Carter found himself trapped in a silent battle, an addiction that had wrapped around him like chains. It started innocently, just a few drinks after work, then a few more to escape the weight of his past. But before he knew it, alcohol became his master, and he its servant. His once promising career in graphic design had crumbled, friendships had faded, and his mother's eyes carried a sorrow that stabbed at his soul. He wanted out, but addiction whispered, "You can't live without me." One cold night, after waking up in an alley with no memory of how he got there, Noah knew he had hit rock bottom. He dragged himself to his mother's apartment, knocked on the door, and when she opened it, he fell into her arms, sobbing. Step 1, admitting the problem. "I can't do this anymore, Mom," he whispered. "I need help." Admitting he was powerless against his addiction was the hardest step, but it was the most crucial. His mother, a woman of unshakable faith, held his hands and said, "The first step to freedom is facing the truth. You are stronger than this." Step 2, seeking help. The next morning, Noah walked into a support group. Faces of strangers who had fought the same demons surrounded him. They welcomed him, not with judgment, but with understanding. Each story he heard was like a mirror reflecting his own pain, yet showing hope. Ask the Holy Spirit for help because He is our present help in times of trouble. He also sought therapy, where he uncovered the wounds that had led him to alcohol, his father's abandonment, his fear of failure, his need for acceptance. Understanding his triggers gave him power over them. Step 3, replacing destructive habits. Addiction thrived in the void of his life, so Noah began filling it with better things. He took up running, the rhythmic pounding of his feet against the pavement becoming a new kind of high. He rekindled his passion for design, sketching the cityscape from his apartment window. When the cravings came, and they did, he reached out to his support group instead of a bottle. Step 4, building a stronger mindset. "Noah, you have to fight for your freedom every day," his mentor, James, told him one evening. "It's a war, but every battle you win weakens the enemy." Noah started practicing mindfulness, learning to sit with his emotions rather than drowning them. He wrote daily affirmations, "I am not my past. Every day, I am getting stronger. I choose freedom." Step 5, making amends and moving forward. One of the hardest parts of recovery was facing those he had hurt. He apologized to his mother for the sleepless nights, to his best friend Jake for the broken trust, and to himself for all the years lost. Not everyone forgave him instantly, but he understood. The only way to prove he had changed was through his actions. Step 6, helping others. A year later, Noah stood before a new group of recovering addicts. "I was where you are now," he said, his voice steady. "I thought I'd never break free, but here I am. If I can do it, so can you." For the first time in years, he felt truly free, not just from alcohol, but from the self-doubt and shame that had kept him trapped. He had won his battle, and now, he was helping others fight theirs. The lesson? Freedom from addiction isn't about willpower alone, it's about courage, support, and the daily choice to live a better life. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!